Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to MDCAT with Salman. In this video we will discuss 82 most important MDCAT biology MCQs. First MCQs: during oxidative phosphorylation the enzyme that synthesizes ATP is cytochrome C oxidase, ATP synthase, succinate dehydrogenase, NADH dehydrogenase. सो सेंथिसाइज जो ATP करता है वो ATP synthase. Next MCQs: the specific mechanism by which eukaryotes regulate gene expression through histone modification is called. So correct option है हमारे पास B, epigenetic regulation. Next MCQs: in the Golgi apparatus the process of adding carbohydrate group to protein is known as phosphorylation, glycosylation, acetylation and methylation. So correct option है B, glycosylation. Next MCQs: the organelle responsible for synthesis of phospholipid and detoxification of drugs is. So correct option है B, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो है प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करता है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फंक्शन ऑफ साइटोस्केलेटन. सेल डिवीजन, इंट्रासेलुलर ट्रांसपोर्ट, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ सेल शेप. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. बाकी फंक्शन है लेकिन प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस नहीं करता. नेक्स्ट है द प्रोसेस बाय विच सेल्स इनगल्फ लार्ज पार्टिकल्स थ्रू वेसिकल फॉर्मेशन इज कॉल्ड. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी, phagocytosis. Next MCQs: in DNA replication the enzyme that removes RNA primers and replaces them with DNA. DNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 3, primase, ligase. So correct option A, DNA polymerase 1. Next MCQs: a specific type of RNA that carries amino acid to the ribosome during translation. So correct option है B, transfer RNA. Next MCQs: which of the following post translational modification occur in the endoplasmic reticulum. So correct option A, glycosylation. Next MCQs: the mechanism by which cell undergo programmed cell death. Necrosis, apoptosis, mitosis या meiosis. So programmed death जो है वो हमारे पास है B, apoptosis. Next MCQs: in the electron transport chain the final electron acceptor in aerobic respiration is NAD positive, FAD, oxygen, water. Correct option C, oxygen. Next MCQ: the process by which messenger RNA is synthesized from a DNA template is called translation, transcription, replication, transformation. So correct option B, transcription. Next MCQ: which organelle contain its own DNA and ribosome. Nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. So correct option B, mitochondria. Next MCQ: the specific phase of a cell cycle where DNA replication occur. G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. So correct option B, S phase. Next MCQs: the enzyme that catalyzes the formation of phosphodiester bond during DNA replication is. So correct option है DNA polymerase. Next MCQ: which of the following is a characteristic of prokaryotic cells. Presence of nucleus, membrane bound organelle, peptidoglycan, cell wall, linear chromosome. So correct option C, peptidoglycan cell wall. Next MCQ: the process by which cell export material via vesicle fusion with the plasma membrane is called. So correct option है B, exocytosis. Next MCQs: in photosynthesis the light dependent reaction occur in the. So light dependent reaction occur in the thylakoid membrane. Next MCQ: specific type of cell junction that prevents leakage between epithelial cells. Gap junction, tight junction, desmosome, plasmodesmata. So correct option है B, tight junction. Next MCQ, which of the following is not a component of cytoskeleton? Microtubules, microfilament, intermediate filament, centrioles. So correct option है D, centrioles. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास हैं 20 क्वेश्चंस हैं हमारे पास जेनेटिक एंड एवोल्यूशंस में से. इन अ डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस बिटवीन ए बी बी एंड ए बी बी, इन दोनों हेट्रोजाइगस हैं. व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग विल शो बोथ रिसेसिव फिनोटाइप? सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए 6.2. सो हमारे पास वन जीन अफेक्ट द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ अदर जीन है, तो एपिस्टेसिस कहते हैं उसको. नेक्स्ट MCQ, विच टाइप ऑफ म्यूटेशन रिजल्ट इन द फ्रेम शिफ्ट इन द रीडिंग ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास डी, इंसर्शन और डिलीशन. नेक्स्ट MCQ, द हर्डी-वेनबर्ग प्रिंसिपल assumes all of the following except no mutation, no natural selection, random mating, small population size. So correct option है D, small population size. Next MCQs, in humans the male determine the sex of the offsprings because. So correct option हमारे पास है C, sperm can carry either X or Y chromosome. Next MCQs, which genetic disorder caused by mutations in CFTR gene affecting chloride and channels? So correct option हमारे पास है A, cystic fibrosis. Next MCQ, the process by which homologous chromosome exchange genetic material during meiosis is called. Correct option A, crossing over. Next MCQs, which type of natural selection favors individuals at both extreme of phenotype range? So correct option है C, disruptive selection. Next MCQs, the molecular clock hypothesis is based on assumption that correct option A, mutation rates are constant over time. Next MCQs, which of the following is an example of analogous structure? So correct option है B, bird wing and insect wing. Next MCQs, in DNA replication strand that is synthesized continuously is called. So correct option है A, leading strand. पहला ही ठीक है यही वाला. Next MCQ, the process by which messenger RNA decoded to produce a specific polypeptide is called. Correct option B, translation. Next MCQs, which of the following is the characteristic of genetic code? So it is overlapping, it has stop codons, it is different in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Each codon code for multiple amino acid. So correct option है B, it has stop codons. Next MCQs, the phenomenon where single gene has multiple effects on phenotype is called. So correct option है A, pleiotropy. Next MCQs, which evolutionary mechanism involve random changes in allele frequencies in small population? So correct option B, genetic drift. Next MCQ, specific type of RNA that form the core of the ribosome is. So correct option है C, ribosomal RNA. Next MCQs, in a population in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, if the frequency of the recessive allele is 0.3, what is the frequency of heterozygous individuals? So correct option है C, 0.42. Next MCQ, which of the following is example of post-zygotic reproductive barrier? Temporal isolation, behavioral isolation, hybrid sterility, mechanical isolations. So correct option है C, hybrid sterility. Next MCQs, the process by which bacteria take up DNA from environment is called. Correct option B, transformation. Next MCQs, which type of chromosome mutations involve the reversal of segment within a chromosome? So correct option है C, inversion. Next MCQs, the hormone that stimulates the production of red blood cell in bone marrow is, so correct option है A, erythropoietin. Next MCQs, in the nephron, the site where most reabsorption of water and nutrients occur in the, correct option B, proximal convoluted tubule. Next MCQs, the specific cells in stomach that produce hydrochloric acid is, correct option B, parietal cells. Next MCQs, which part of brain regulate body temperature, hunger and thirst? Correct option C, hypothalamus. Next MCQ, the process by which white blood cell move through capillary walls into tissue is called, correct option A, diapedesis. Next MCQs, the hormone that decreases blood calcium level by inhibiting bone reabsorption. तो correct option है B, calcitonin. Next MCQs, in the cardiac cycle, the phase when all four heart chamber valves are closed. So correct option है B, volumetric contraction. Next MCQ, with the specific type of immunity that involve T cell destroying infected cell is called. So correct option है हमारे पास B, cell mediated immunity. Next MCQs, which of the following is not a function of the liver? So correct option C, insulin production. Next MCQs, the part of neuron that receives signal from other neuron is the, correct option B, dendrites. The process by which plant loses water vapor through stomata is called transpiration. Next MCQs, the hormone that stimulate uterine contraction during childbirth. So correct option है A, oxytocin. Next MCQs, which blood vessel have thickened walls to withstand high blood pressure? So correct option है A, arteries. Next MCQs, specific cells in the pancreas that produce glucagon. So glucagon are produced by alpha cell. Next MCQ, process by which nutrients are absorbed into bloodstream from the digestive tract is called, correct option B, absorption. Next MCQs, which part of eye control the amount of light entering the pupil? So correct option C, iris. Next MCQ, the hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle is, correct option A, melatonin. Next MCQ, specific type of muscle tissue found in the walls of hollow organ is, correct option C, smooth muscle. Next time, vitamin is synthesized by skin upon exposure to light. So correct option है C, vitamin D. Next MCQs, the process by which the body maintains a stable internal environment is called, correct option B, homeostasis. Next MCQs, ecology and environment से the specific type rule of species in its ecosystem is called, correct option है हमारे पास B, niche. Next MCQs, which of the following is a density dependent limiting factor? Earthquake, fire, competition, volcano. So correct option है C, competition. Next MCQ, process by which nitrogen is converted into ammonia by bacteria is called, correct option C, nitrogen fixation. Next MCQ, which type of ecological succession begins on bare rock? So correct option है हमारे पास A, primary succession. Next MCQ, specific relationship where one organism benefit another harm is called. So correct option है हमारे पास C, parasitism. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, सोलर एनर्जी इज द रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स. नेक्स्ट हम सीक्वेंस प्रोसेस बाय विच वाटर मूव्स थ्रू प्लांट फ्रॉम रूट्स टू लीव्स इज कॉल्ड. करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, ट्रांसपाइरेशन. नेक्स्ट हम सीक्वेंस विच ग्रीन हाउस गैस हैज़ द हाईएस्ट ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पोटेंशियल. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, मीथेन. Next MCQs. Specific level of ecological organization that includes all living and non-living component in an area. So population, community, ecosystem, biome. तो correct option हमारे पास है C, ecosystem. Next MCQs है which of the following is an example of keystone species. So keystone species is sea otter. Next MCQ, process by which energy is transferred from one traffic level to another is approximately. So correct option है B, 10%. Next MCQ, which of the following is a major cause of biodiversity loss. So habitat destruction. Next MCQ, reproduction and development में से है the specific structure that where fertilization occur in humans is. तो correct option है C, fallopian tube. Next MCQ, the process by which sperm are produced in testes is called. So correct option A, spermatogenesis. Next MCQ, the hormone that means the uterine lining during pregnancy is. Correct option है progesterone. Next MCQs, the specific range of specific stage of embryonic development where the blastocytes implants in the uterus is called. So correct option है C, implantation. Next MCQs, which extra embryonic membrane form the fetal part of the placenta. So correct option है B, chorion. Next है the process by which cells become specialized during development is called. So correct option है A, differentiation. Next है MCQs, which hormone stimulates milk production in mammary glands. So correct option हमारे पास है B, prolactin. Next MCQs, the specific type of cell division that reduces chromosome number by half is. So correct option है हमारे पास B, meiosis. Next MCQs, the structure that connect the developing fetus to the placenta is the. So correct option A, umbilical cord. Next MCQs, which of the following is the method of asexual reproduction in plants. Correct option C, vegetative propagation.